What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, there's a lot of price action going on right now. Board wide movements, guys. Are we gonna end up breaking up above the $42,000 major resistance? Or are we gonna start working our way back down? Guys, we are running into a lot of chop right now. Definitely several coins I wanted to talk about today, including AMP and Electroneum, Bitcoin, maybe even Ethereum if we have some time, guys. I'm actually on my phone. My computer's not doing so hot, guys. I'm sure you're getting the gist. That's why I haven't been on. I'm rebuilding my computer, and hopefully I'll have it up and running by the weekend. Be back to business as normal, so to speak. And my gosh, guys, just lots of gains being made in Zion right now. I could not be happier with this. This is incredible. I'm making a lot of gains, but guys, when the students make gains, it's just so much more rewarding even than making money at this point for me. To be honest, when Bitcoin even hit $14,000, I cracked into being a millionaire, and guys, the rest has just been a very self-fulfilling prophecy of seeing you guys succeed, and it's just been a beautiful thing, guys. So if you haven't discovered your financial freedom, reach out to us today at bitcoindeathstar@gmail.com. My buddy Mitch will be happy to send your onboarding email. And guys, you can go right over to the website and get signed up as well. Guys, we have a lot of stuff to talk about today. If you're not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and guys, I'm gonna dive right into the price action. And if you haven't signed up using my links, you can save up to over $7,000 in bonuses just by using all of these links right here. And be sure to follow me on each of my social platforms. I do crypto-related information that is pertinent, time-sensitive on each platform that you guys just can't miss. Okay, guys, this is what we're looking at on the Bitcoin price action. We have an ascending tightening wedge right here. Now, guys, remember, even if they touch, it doesn't actually make it a triangle, okay? It's still a wedge. Okay, so as this tightens up, we are definitely coiling up for a move right now. As you can see, we are on the 1 hour here. Let me zoom in a little bit here for you. Okay, but the volume is peaking down. Guys, remember what happens when we have a peak down of volume right before a breakout. That means we're getting a move soon. So guys, we're either gonna be getting a rejection off the bottom of this pattern, okay, right here, or we will break out very clearly, guys. Just simply, okay, that's exactly what I'm looking for here. Get ready to make your trades, play your indications into your patterns and patterns within patterns to make this trade a reality for yourself, guys. But there is one little pattern just kind of jumping out at me just right here. Okay, just a little guy. Bear with me here, guys. I am on my phone. Okay. And just a little guy. A little symmetrical. Okay. So that's what we're working with, guys, and we're going to get a breakout of these movements soon. If we break out of the resistance, for instance, of the little pattern up here, and ride it up to like right there. Okay, guys, that's exactly what I'd be looking for. And if it breaks out to the downside through support here, ride it down. Okay, ride it down to next support. Okay, or for instance, even play your EMAs. Okay, for instance, play it to the 55, the 100, the 200. You guys get the idea. Now let's check out another coin here. Let's see what we got. All right, let's talk about Electroneum, guys. A lot of Electroneum holders in my crowd. All right, guys, this is pretty hard to see, so just bear with me here. Okay, but we definitely have a sideways motion going on right now, okay? A major form of resistance, a major form of support. Let me just draw what I see for you guys here. Okay, so let's just move this over right here. Okay. You guys bear with me here. I'm on my phone. All right. Very clear. Okay, guys, so to be honest, this does look like a descending triangle for me. Okay, we could have even a wedge within. For instance, you go down to the smaller time frames, do your patterns within patterns, guys. You get a good representation of what's going on in the immediate there. But remember, guys, patterns within patterns is usually for aggressive leverage trading. And a lot of people, for instance, when they're just starting trading, that's not an option for them yet. So play these medium-sized patterns and the bigger patterns to make these trades profitable for you guys, okay? And what I have up here is just the 100, okay? The EMA 100, that's in green right there, okay, guys? And in simplicity, when we break above it, that's really a good sign. But we're actually just been moving right. So, guys, a movement is coming for Electroneum right now. We're going to get a movement pretty soon. We're definitely coiling up for something. Get your bags ready. And we did just have a big spike in volume, as you guys can see right here, okay? but negative volume, okay? So definitely retesting that support right now. We're either gonna get a breakout right now or a bounce and hopefully a retest of resistance, guys, and that's exactly what I'm looking at for Electroneum. Electroneum, an amazing project, guys. Remember, infancy coins are going to have a lot of volatility, a lot of sporadical movement, and we're not, it's a lot harder to read alts, let's be real here, guys, but Electroneum is going to have its day. I'm very confident. As you guys know, I'm a major bag holder as well. I really believe in the project. All right, guys, let's talk about AMP. See if I can find this guy here. Okay, so AMP has some good news, okay? We just broke back above on trend. That's a really good sign, okay? Let's see if we can actually hold that, okay? There's definitely some patterns playing out right now. Let me show you guys what I see here. Okay, it is a little hard to see. Actually, let me clean that up first. So this is pretty dirty, let's be real here. But we're definitely working with something just like this. Now, I wouldn't consider this quite an ascending triangle because the resistance is not quite clean, but it's pretty darn close. And we definitely have some wedges, for instance, in here, guys, but I'm on my phone. I'm not going to be able to draw them up. It's just too tight. But guys, understand we have a lot of patterns within patterns playing out there. Go down to the smaller time frames. I see like 4 or 5 wedges in there yielding good target pattern results there. Epic trades there, especially if you're applying leverage, guys. But just on these medium-sized patterns, guys, if we break out of the support, we go short. If we break out of the resistance, okay, you guys go long. Just easy stuff. This is a good sign for AMP, though. We're back on trend. We're above the 100, guys. This is some definitely bullish sentiment for AMP right now. AMP gang, let me know in the comments where you're at bag-wise and how you guys are doing. This is definitely a project that is going to surpass your understanding pretty soon. Definitely be holding this coin, taking minimal profits. For instance, I am riding free AMP at this point, but it's still a sizable bag. I am holding this for some maximum gains, guys. Just some epic times. And guys, let's just talk about Ethereum real quick. Where are you? Now, guys, we are about to retest trend here. This is really exciting. So I actually do hope this happens. And just some very mimicking patterns right now board wide. I'm sure you guys are actually seeing that. Okay, so let's just start right here. We'll start the measurement right here, actually. Okay. Lots of the same kind of stuff going on right now, guys. It's definitely something to be paying attention to, these patterns. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. It's so tough to get the lines to draw out, because that's what we're working with right there. We definitely have another symmetrical playing out, guys. And what's really nice, if we break resistance, we'll easily be retesting, going above trend, retesting resistances, guys. And if we break through them, we definitely got to have a leg up with the Ethereum here. Okay, what's nice is we are also above the 100 on the 1 hour, guys. That's an extremely bullish sign. Definitely get your bags ready to make this trade a reality for yourself, guys. But just in simplicity, we break the support, go short, we break the resistance, ride it up minimally even to trend. Okay, I know that's not a big movement, guys, but if you're playing 10 20x leverage, that's a sizable gain, guys. Make sure to be making that a reality for yourself. There's also been a lot of talk about Ethereum someday surpassing Bitcoin, and guys, maybe it could happen someday. The reality there is Bitcoin doesn't have a face where Ethereum does, and there's a lot of benefits to having a face to a project. That's what I wanted to touch on there, guys. There's a lot of reasons. Bitcoin's doing well, Ethereum's doing well, guys. I'm trying to stay away from that. Just wanted to talk about my one thought there with that. They have a face. Maybe someday that will play out nicely for them, aside from even the mechanics of the coins. And guys, that's all the time I have for today. These are wild times in cryptocurrency. It's just been a feeding frenzy lately in Zion, and even for myself. I actually made my biggest percentage trade ever recently. Sadly, I didn't put as much value down as I would have liked. I didn't trade as big as I normally do, but my gosh, over 600%. That's huge. That's massive. A 30x leverage trade. And my gosh, guys, even me, I wish I discovered leverage long ago when it first came out. And now that I'm applying these newfound strategies of my own in congruency with, all the new market developments, my gosh, guys, the profits are just rolling in. It's just incredible times. I cannot wait for top logarithmic band as we touch maybe next year, mid next year, probably June next year, give or take. It's going to be life-changing for me and many others even just following the channel. Many people that understand the realm, and my gosh, guys, it's just been an incredible ride just to see all this play out so nicely for so many people. And guys, my gosh, if you really want to discover financial freedom, reach out to us today. Get started. You got to start. That's the reality. You know, you got to start somewhere. You got to start trading. You got to start making this happen for yourself. And it just starts by one trade at a time, learning the material and understanding it, and then replicating it, guys. It's that simple. So my gosh, guys, if you want to make the money, now is the time. It's a feeding frenzy out there. Capitalize on this, and just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.